Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from group 7. My name is Aulia Rasti Aziza and my group member is Bima Juliansa and Garino. In this video, we want to explain how to remaster Linux Ubuntu 22. First, make sure you have downloaded Cubix on Linux. Also, make sure you have previously created an empty folder. Here, we create a folder called group 7. Click the folder to save the remastering Linux. Click next, and before remastering we must also have an ISO file that we will remaster to be included in the file name in the original disk section. Then in the file name and custom disk section, it should be changed to whatever name we like, for example group7.iso. Then click next and wait for the process of analyze the original disk image, copy important files from the original disk image, and extract the compressed Linux file system. After all the process complete, first step we will install the VS Code. This command is to prepare the Microsoft GPG key in binary format so that it can be added as a trusted key for the system. And then the second command is to place the Microsoft GPG key into apt's trusted key directory so that the system can verify package from Microsoft. And then this command is to add Microsoft official VS Code repository to the system so that it can be used for installation. And then this command is to update the package list including the newly added VS Code repository. And the last command is to install Visual Studio Code without manual confirmation. The next installation and the next step will be explained by my friend.
Is install Git. First is enter code apt it update. Used to update the list of available page from the configured software repositories. Enter apt install git min and until the installation is complete. After that, we will install the driver. First is entering apt update. Next is entering apt install min. We get GNU software properties common and will until is done. Copy and code and enter. Prompt like this will appear. Next, copy the next command and command again and copy and paste in here and press enter again. Run is apt update once more. Next is enter apt install min driver min and while until the installation complete. After we change the background, this step will replace the old background which are next the new ones. First, enter the code cd/user/share/background which are then ls. Okay, you see something like this. The command is used to navigate to the Linux system directory then that contains the default background or wallpaper image, and yeah, you'll see something like this. Okay, next we'll open file, click download and find the image preferred to loaded and place to into the copy territory. After that, click copy and wait until it's done. Then enter the format, this one, and press enter. After that, the enter code, this one, and press enter.
Okay, thank you. So next we are going to delete application or uninstall some unwanted packages so that we can free up some space on the disk. So we're going to delete packages. First, we will type apt remove purge and the name of the app, or we could copy paste it. First, we need to make sure that the name of the application or the packages is correct and there's no typo. And why do we choose purge? Because purge instead of remove, because purge will also delete the settings of the application, not just only the application itself. And the Linux will start the Cubic will start uninstalling the packages. After it's done, we're going to click the next button, start to load, saving the settings that we choose before, then creating the packages and the modification. We can just click next and then next. After that also, the compression setting, we choose gzip for the standard, and then it will start to load, and you can wait here because it will take some time to load. See on the folder of group 7 OS that the ISO is already saved, and then we can close the cubic menu or wizard, and then we can exit our VirtualBox machine, and then we can start simulating it on we start a new virtual machine using our OS, our new remastered OS. We start our VirtualBox manager, add a new virtual machine, and then choose the ISO image. We choose the new remastered OS that we made and change the name. We can find it on the folder that we created. Don't forget to change the type to Linux and the subtype to Ubuntu because we are remastering Ubuntu. We click next, and all the settings. We can use the same setting as the same Linux Ubuntu that we have for the remastering. We can set it to 2 gigabytes or 4 gigabyte, and then we can set the processor. We can choose 1 or 2, but here we choose 2, and then we set the virtual hard disk size. we set it to 40, and then we click next, and then it will start to generate the new virtual machine. Next, we are installing the new OS that we remastered. We wait for it to load like the usual when we starting a new virtual machine. And then here you can see that the background is changed to the background that we use for the remastering. It's different from the usual Linux Ubuntu background. The Linux Ubuntu background usually is a jellyfish. After we click install now, we are going to set the time and then our user account. So here we name it group 7, and then we set the password, and then we will have to wait for it to load. It will take some time. After the installation is complete, then we will restart the virtual machine. Here we have the group 7 account. Enter using that account and enter our password set before. So here we can see that the background is changed to our settings when we remaster it. Then we click this button to show all the application, and then we check if the application is installed. See here, we can see that the VS Code is installed, and we can also see the dbeaver there installed in the right corner. We type in to check if the Git is installed. We type in which Git on the terminal, and you can see there, if it says that /user/that, it means the Git is installed correctly. And that's it for group 7. Thank you for the attention, for watching the video, and we are sorry if there's a mistake when we are doing the remastering and our video report. We are very sorry, and we will appreciate your feedback. Once again, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.